Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo visual presenter document camera, the Kircuit 12V AC adapter replacement. If you've ever found yourself in need of a reliable power source for your Elmo 5ZA0000104C or 5ZA0000036, whether your original adapter is lost, damaged, or you simply need a travel backup, this non-OEM replacement promises to deliver. Right out of the box, this Kircuit adapter presents itself as a high-quality solution. It's 100% brand new, designed to meet the specific power requirements of your Elmo document camera, ensuring seamless operation. One of its standout features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V AC. This makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for those who travel frequently or work in different locations, eliminating the need for multiple adapters. Just plug it into any standard wall outlet, and your Elmo presenter is ready to go. Safety and efficiency are clearly priorities with this unit. It comes equipped with a built-in dynamic IC, charger IC, and a power fuse. These components work together to provide rapid charging capabilities, while also offering crucial overcharge protection. This means users can plug in their device with confidence, knowing it's safeguarded against potential power fluctuations or excessive charging, which can prolong the life of their valuable Elmo equipment. The manufacturer also assures that each unit is thoroughly tested and arrives in great working condition, adding another layer of trust to this replacement option. Its compact and portable design further enhances its appeal, making it an ideal companion for presentations on the go or for setting up a temporary workspace. The wall mount design is straightforward and practical, ensuring a secure connection. For anyone who uses their Elmo visual presenter document camera regularly, having a dependable 12-volt output adapter like this Kircuit model is not just a convenience, but a necessity. It provides peace of mind, knowing that a consistent and safe power supply is always at hand, keeping your presentations and document captures running smoothly without interruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.